Smoke Mountain Barbecue Chicken, KFC.
Welcome back to my KFC. How may I help you?
Let me have the Smoke Mountain Barbecue Chicken with potato wedges and Diet Pepsi to drink, please.
We said number 6 with potato wedges with Diet Pepsi to drink.
Yeah, it's that new Smoke Mountain Barbecue.
Barbecue?
Yeah, the new Smoke Mountain Barbecue. Yeah.
Oh, you want to do the tenders and Smoky Mountain Barbecue?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay. Anything else for you?
That'll do it.
$6.96. Thank you.
Thanks. Hope it's right. I hope that's right. Wow. Let me put this down while I deal with this. Wow, that was crazy. It took forever to get them to understand what I was wanting. It was crazy. Smoke Mountain Barbecue Chicken. Okay. Let's go find somewhere to eat this. I'm excited, man. I've been seeing a lot of good reviews on this, and I am so excited to try this chicken. All right, we made it back. Let's see what we got here. I ate the potatoes on the way home. Let's see what they say about it online before we go tearing into this. All right. Says our new Smoke Mountain Barbecue brings the sweet, smoky flavors of Southern barbecue to Kentucky. It's crisp on the outside, tender on the inside, and delicious on every side. Try it in a new Smoke Mountain Barbecue basket today with your choice of chicken breast, drumsticks, and thighs, 3 tenders or 5 hot wings, the mashed potatoes and biscuit for $4.99. I did not know that they had the other ones. All right, I got the tenders. And the reviews I saw on this was like, heck yeah. Got a biscuit. 3 pieces of tenders. There's a small piece, that makes number 4. That is good. Oh man. I wanted you to see something. Look. That's some sweet sauce. That's good right there. You could actually make a mess with this. Let's try this baby out. It is sweet, got a mild smoke flavor to it. Crispy on the outside, and it is tender on the inside. Look at that, it's just really good. Oh. What is that I'm tasting? I don't know. I'm gonna go down in deep, dip it in some of that juice that's in here. There's no spice such as heat, but there's good seasoning to it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That is really good. Oh. Oh man. KFC, you outdid yourself on this one. Wow. I'm not kidding. Oh wow. Oh. Chicken's so tender, man. It's so sweet. Like a brown sugar sweet, but I can't think of what that is. There's some kind of seasoning on there, and I don't know what it is, but oh, How they get it to stay so crunchy? Oh man, the last one. Teeth just melt right into it. Teeth just sinks right into it. It is so tender. This is good. Oh yeah. Oh wow. It's the last bite. Oh, go try it. This is good. $4.99. Let's try the biscuit dipped down into the juice. Oh, look at that dripping. I could drink that. Oh, that seasoning. Wow. Hey, this is one of the best things I've had in a while. I've not ate KFC in a long time. This is good. And all the reviews I've saw on this says it's good. This is freaking amazing right here. Well, I'm just in heaven right now. I'm telling you what. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the review. If there's anything you want me to try, leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to get out there and give it a try. So y'all have a good one now. You come back. Hey, don't forget to hit the like, share, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Share this on your social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the notification bell. New Van versus Food every Friday. Y'all have a good one. And you come back.